Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can add the category axis breaks in ThinkCell. So on my screen, you can see I have three series here: marketing, sales, and finance, and I have years from 2024 to 2029. If you look closely, you're going to see that I'm missing 2026 and 2027. So in order to demonstrate this effectively in my chart, I can add the category axis break. So to do this, what I will do is to just click on this, my chart. Here, I will over to where I have this axis. And then what I will do is to right click, and you can see I have this option to add baseline breaks. So I will click on it, and you can see I've effectively added this baseline break. So this shows that there is a break here. As you can see, 2024, 2025. And then this break shows us that something is missing before we move to 2028 and 2029. If I no longer need this break, I can still click here and then my delete button, and it goes. And this is just what I want to demonstrate in this video, how you can add the category axis break in your ThinkCell chart so as to be able to communicate the message that you want to communicate effectively. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.